Hi, this is Pam with PS I Love You Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to make a really easy DIY scarf. And this doesn't involve any sewing. So I have a piece of fleece here. This was actually a remnant that I got from Joann Fabrics. It is 72 inches long by 10 inches wide. And the edges weren't even, so I evened those up already. And I'm going to cut off the edge. And because fleece doesn't ravel, this is a really good project to use with fleece. So I'm going to trim that off, and I'm going to trim the other one as well. And I have these really nice Ginger scissors that my mom gave me. They cut so nice. I hardly ever use them though because I don't sew. Go. And I'm going to cut through both layers at the same time, so that way I know that I have the same amount of fringe on each side. And I'm going to cut up. I'm not going to measure, but it's about, I'm going to say 4 inches. And if you want a longer fringe, you can certainly do it longer. And then you're going to take the 2 fringes and knot them. Super easy. And you're going to do the same thing all the way down the edge. And that's what it looks like when it's finished. And now you're ready to slip it around your neck, and you can do it single or you can double it. I like to have mine doubled so that it's up around my neck and keeps me warm. So there's a really simple project that you can do. Kids could help with this. You could make lots of these because this piece of fabric actually was enough to make 2 scarves. It was a remnant and it cost me less than $5. So it's only going to cost me about $2.50 to make this scarf. So really quick and easy project. So I hope you like this project. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching.